When the drip tube gets cloudy or the holes get clogged, it's time to change the drip tube. First, we'll start by removing the old drip tube. Put the Mopit in transport mode by pushing the transport pedal. Then tip the Mopit on its back. Pull the drip tube out of the hose clamps. There's no need to loosen or remove the clamps. Then pull the drip tube T out of the feeder line. Now we'll install the new drip tube by repeating most of the steps in reverse order. Push the new drip tube through the drip tube clamps. The side of the drip tube with the deeper white plug goes closest to the deflector wheel. Insert the new T into the feeder line while holding the feeder line so it doesn't get pushed up into the brush hood. Tip the Mopit up and push the scrub pedal down. Reach out to Spectrum by phone or website with any questions. 1-800-290-2833. www.mopit.com